Welcome to the best picks. The Best Light Boards is probably one of the most versatile and innovative tools for artists and hobbyists, offering a unique blend of functionality and creativity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, this video will guide you through the essential features and considerations to help you choose the perfect light board to elevate your artistic endeavors and unlock a world of creative possibilities. Number 5. Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad. Get ready to unleash your inner artist with this amazing tracing pad. It's packed with everything you need to create beautiful artwork. You'll find a light-up tracing pad, colorful pencils, tracing sheets, blank sheets, and even a graphite pencil. Everything is ready for your next masterpiece. With over 100 traceable images online and blank sheets, it offers endless possibilities for creativity. Let your imagination run wild. The bright LED light makes tracing super easy and fun. You can easily transfer your favorite images onto paper. It's lightweight, easy to use, and has a no-slip frame, perfect for young artists. It's the ideal creative canvas for kids. It's not just fun, it's educational. It helps develop creativity and artistic skills through tracing, sketching, and more. Perfect for homeschooling. Looking for a gift that sparks creativity? This tracing pad is a fantastic choice for birthdays or holidays. It's sure to be a hit with kids of all ages. What we like? It comes with a tracing pad, colored pencils, and blank sheets, allowing for diverse creative exploration. If you are looking for a comprehensive art kit to foster your child's creativity and artistic skills, this is the one for you. It's perfect for kids who enjoy tracing and drawing, providing them with all the necessary tools to express their imagination. What people say? She is heavy-handed and it has held up well. The pad is used by all the younger children, our teenage artist, and I have used it myself for fabric patterns. The light emitted is quite bright, and expensive tracing paper is really not needed. We have used plain copy paper after the tracing paper that came with the pad was used up, and it worked so well there was no need to use anything else. Number 4. LitEnergy A4 LED Tracing Pad. This ultra-thin light pad makes tracing and creating easier than ever. Its sleek design and adjustable brightness are perfect for any artist. At only 5 mm thick, it's easy to carry around. Take it with you wherever your creativity takes you. Simply press and hold the touch switch to adjust the brightness to your liking. It offers a gradual dimming effect for precise control. It features flicker-free LED lights, providing an even, comfortable surface to work on. Protect your eyes while you create. No need for batteries. Just plug it into your computer, power bank, or USB adapter. It's always ready when you are. From tattoo transferring to animation, this light pad is perfect for a wide range of creative projects. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? Its adjustable brightness, ultra-thin design, and USB power make it incredibly versatile and convenient. If you need a portable and adaptable light pad for various uses like tattoo transferring or animation, this is your best choice. Its slim profile and adjustable brightness cater to diverse needs and preferences. What people say? Good bright screen to trace things. Size is very nice even for large pieces of paper from sketchbooks. It works so well. I was surprised how thin and lightweight this actually is. I think it will also be very handy when I'm weeding my Cricut designs. Number 3. Crayola Ultimate Light Board. Get ready to unleash your creativity with the amazing Crayola Ultimate Light Board. It's the perfect tool for bringing your artistic visions to life. This light board has 3 dazzling light effects to illuminate your artwork. Watch your creations glow with brilliance. It comes with 6 vibrant mini washable gel markers. Experiment with colors and create stunning designs. Remove the back panel and use it as a light-up tracing pad. Trace your favorite images with ease. It features a built-in kickstand and smart marker storage, making it perfect for on-the-go creativity. It's also super easy to clean. Give the gift of creativity this holiday season. The Crayola Ultimate Light Board is a fantastic present for kids aged 6 and up. What we like? It boasts 3 light effects, a removable tracing panel, and washable markers, offering a fun and practical drawing experience. If you are looking for a light board that offers multiple functionalities and easy cleanup, this is the one. The washable markers and removable panel add to its convenience and versatility. What people say. They're large boards, plenty of drawing space, they have diff light settings, the colors show up bright, and even more intense if you overlap. You can remove black background for a see-through board kinda like a smart board. Bright, lightweight, works great. Looks awesome when turned the light on. It's very bright and vivid and has provided hours of fun for the whole family. The marker holders on the backside allow it to be organized and portable. Number 2. Marvin's Magic Neon Glow Kit. Get ready to explore your creativity with this neon glow art kit. It's the perfect way to create vibrant, futuristic art. This kit takes drawing to a whole new level. It includes a neon drawing board, a stand, and 4 fluorescent magic pens for endless possibilities. Watch your creations come alive with 36 different flashing light modes. It's like having a mini light show with every drawing. It's more than just art, it's a science experiment too. Have fun creating magical neon art and learning how it works. This kit is packed with fun for kids of all ages. It's a fresh and exciting way to keep them entertained for hours. From magic tricks to creative art sets, Marvin's Magic has everything you need to spark your child's imagination. Discover more magical creations today. What we like. With its neon glow, magic pens, and 36 light modes, it provides a unique and exciting drawing experience. If you are looking for a fun and engaging art kit that sparks creativity and wonder, this is the perfect choice. The neon effects and multiple light modes will captivate children and unleash their artistic potential. What people say. The different color light settings change the ink colors and is very vivid and bright in a darkened room. It is lovely and handy, but the only thing that my girls found it hard was wiping it, however they gradually used to deal with that. Also das Tablet funktioniert sehr gut, es gibt mehrere Arten es leuchten zu lassen. Verschiedene Farben oder auch blinken. Die Stift sind auch gut, es mal sich leicht auf der Flash. Man kann es wie ein Bilderrahmen anschließend aufstellen und leuchten lassen. Number 1. Acrylic LED Dry Erase Board. Introducing a sleek, acrylic dry erase board with a built-in light-up stand. It's the perfect place to jot down those brilliant ideas, anytime, anywhere. This board features energy-saving LEDs, creating a soft, inviting glow. It's great for mood lighting, a nightlight, or adding a touch of ambience to any space. The 13 by 9-inch board is made from high-quality, 3mm thick acrylic. Its modern, clear design makes it a stylish addition to any home or office. This kit comes with 5 quick-drying markers and a convenient pen holder. The ink is fade and smear resistant, ensuring your notes stay clear. It's perfect for to-do lists, grocery lists, drawing, or even as a fun message board. Use it at home, in the office, or anywhere you need to stay organized. What we like. It features an acrylic board, an LED stand, and dry erase markers, making it ideal for note-taking and creative expression. If you are looking for a stylish and functional light-up board for writing, drawing, or displaying messages, this is the perfect option. Its sleek design and convenient features make it a great addition to any workspace or home. What people say. I use this to write scriptures and leave it in my kitchen for the family to read. I see complaints about it being hard to clean. I use Windex. I have no issues. It does scratch easily, but no bother to me. It doesn't take away from what you're seeing. Great quality. The pens that come with are bold, bright neon colors and look really great lit. When light is on, definitely can't miss your to-do lists. Lots of color options, and like that it came with a pen holder. Was very handy for my work event. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.